Ever wanted to build your own AI bot, but, the whole coding thing just gets in the way? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to build a really cool visual AI quiz bot right on the Poe platform, and believe it or not, we won't write a single line of code.
Okay, check this out. This is what we're building today, a quiz bot that actually uses images. And I know it might look a little complicated, but I promise you we're going to build this thing in under 2 minutes. By the time we're done, you'll be able to make one just like it.
All right, let's dive right in. The setup is super simple. It's really just a few clicks to get going. So first things first, once you're on Poe, you're just going to click Create. And from there, we want to pick Prompt Bot. This is the easiest one to start with because it basically just follows whatever written instructions you give it. Next up, you got to give your bot a name, right? Something clear so people know what it's for. We're going to call ours the IPO Devices Quiz because it's all about computer hardware. Okay, now for the really cool part. The prompt. This is where the magic happens. It's basically the brain of the bot, where you tell it what to do. So we're telling it to act like a friendly tech tutor. And see that spot we left open? That's super important for later. That's where our image link is gonna go. All right, time to take it for a spin. I grabbed a normal image link off the internet, popped it in, and, well, this is where a lot of people get stuck. I hit a super common roadblock. So I start the quiz, I type yes, and there it is. The bot talks back, which is great, but the image is totally broken. It just says image 1, no image. This is such a classic mistake, but don't worry, we're gonna fix it. So what gives? Why didn't that work? I mean, it was a perfectly good link, right? It feels like it should have worked. The answer to this is actually the secret to making really awesome bots on Poe. And here's the thing, the fix is so simple, it's almost silly, but it's this little secret step that almost everyone misses when they're starting out. Okay, here's the deal. Poe bots are a little picky. They can't just use any old image link from Google. For an image to show up, it has to have a special link that was created inside of Poe itself. And getting that special link is a piece of cake. It's just 4 quick steps. 1, find your image on the web. 2, paste it into any regular chat on Poe. 3, right-click on the image in that chat and copy the new image link. And 4, take that new link and paste it back into your bot's instructions. That's it. So, let's look at that key step again. You literally just paste the image into any chat. It can be a chat with any bot, doesn't matter. Then you just right-click that image you just pasted and hit Copy Image Link. Boom, you now have the magic link your bot needs. And the last step is just to go back to editing your bot. You find that old broken link, delete it, and paste in the new one you just copied. Seriously, that's the whole fix. All right, moment of truth. We made that one tiny change. Let's fire up the bot again and see what happens. And just look at that. The difference is night and day. On the left, are broken, first try, and on the right, it works. The image is there, the quiz is working, it's perfect. So the big takeaway here is really simple. Just take that extra second to run your image through Poe first to get its special link. Once you do that, you can add awesome visuals to any bot you build. And there you have it. In just a couple of minutes, you learn the secret to making these awesome visual AI bots all without a single line of code. So now that you know the trick, what are you going to build?